Good evening from the man walking around with a phone on a stick. You'll have to forgive me over the next few weeks, I think. As you remember, last week's transmission came out a bit late. This one's going to be a bit different as well, a bit lazy. Got some health issues in the house that we're dealing with at the moment. So my focus is on that, the immediate time. So what I'll do is I'll plonk up some older videos of me doing some work and perhaps me reading some of my stories. It'll make for a change. Might even be a bit more uplifting than the usual missives of political doom. Alright, so I'll stick some videos I got of me doing some cutting out and colouring in. That's my job. This one that I'll start off with shows the kind of process of reusing an image. Starts off with a little drawing that I had the idea of making. From that, the reason for the drawing, it was a preparatory idea for a big paste up that was put up in the Morley Tunnel project, which is still visible and viewable in the town of Morley, north of Finisterre, if you're travelling there. And then following on from that, because I like the image, because I like the way it all turned out, Pooch is on a mission. Hey Pooch, what have you found? Who knows what the Pooch has found? I don't know, I'm sure it's interesting. Come on, Harry. Pooch! He's really obedient. And I clearly have absolutely no authority, which is cool. So yes, there's the tunnel project in Morley, which was what the original drawing was for. And this is me putting up the, or making the drawing in the studio. And then because I liked it, I repeated the idea on a slightly more presentable scale, which is more like a finished drawing, and that drawing is currently available in my lovely Alsace gallery, Gallery Sandra Bloom, on the planet Strasbourg. If you've got a hole on the wall and you want it covered over, it's available. You could just pop in and see it. There's some other work there as well. It's not just me. Other artists as well. The show that she's got running up until the end of the year, I believe. The music that's over the video, that's some of mine as well. Some of my organised noise from my latest released offering to the planet. You can have a shuffle around to your heart's content to that as well. Alright, bear with us all. We'll get through all the getting throughs that we got to get through. And like I always say, look after yourself. More importantly, look after those around you, because that's what it's all about. Alright, ta-ta for now.